How to boost your business using a chatbot. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can boost your business using a chatbot. Click on the link of the chatbot given in the description below. And when you click on that, you will come to an interface like this. Now, this is a chatbot named ManyChat where you can use it in order to boost your business. You can drive higher conversion and sales with Instagram DM marketing using this chatbot. You can answer every frequently asked question, convert more followers, or automate your IG followers. You can turn your followers into dollars using this chatbot and have more conversations that lead to sales. A customer can message and the chatbot would automatically respond them, such as the example that is being given in front of you, and whatever the customer wants, the chatbot will respond to you and save that. After that, you can also build irresistible brand awareness, such as the customer will reply to this story and the chatbot will automatically respond. Even if you have no technological experience, we have an AI assistant that will help you assist you into various queries you have. You can drive up to 60% more sales using this chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link given in the description below and register yourself, sign up and create your first chatbot.